back to my channel. In today's video, I just thought I would do like a quick get ready with me video. So I'm going to Newport Beach to go cruise the harbor. It is my friend Gabby's birthday today. Gabby is a fellow blogger and I freaking love her. She is amazing, so inspiring. I will leave her handle right here on Instagram if you want to go check her out. So I just thought I would film like a get ready with me kind of vlog, take you guys along. So yeah, let's just get right into it. Maybe I should have done my hair before I got on camera, but whatever. I'm gonna start with some chapstick because my lips are crusty. And this is like my new favorite chapstick. This is the Milk Makeup Kush Lip Balm. Anything with like Kush, cannabis oil, sign me up. It's legal in California, okay? I just primed my skin with the Soap & Glory One Heck of a Blot. I've actually been liking this primer. I got a sample of the Dior Forever foundation and I've been obsessed with this foundation. It is so good. I'm sorry to all like people that don't live in California, but we are having the best weather right now. It's like a good 73 degrees. It's like perfect. But we also pay an arm and a leg to live here. Trust me on that. An arm and a leg. Like maybe like both arms and a leg. Literally got this like everywhere. That's what I get for being a cheap ass and not buying like the full product. Tarte Shape Tape, you already know. That's why I actually went to Sephora. If you saw my last video, it was a concealer showdown with the Tarte Shape Tape and the Fenty Pro Filter concealer. I took the Fenty back because, I don't know, I just can't stop using my Tarte Shape Tape. I just can't. I'm gonna set everything with the Huda Beauty baking powder. I just washed all my makeup brushes like a couple hours ago and they're still kind of wet. We're gonna make it work. So that's what we do. We get shit done. And then on a bigger, fluffier brush, I'm gonna use the same powder and just set that foundation. Using my new favorite bronzer. This is the Park Avenue Princess from Tarte. I freaking love this stuff. I never really like get hyped on like bronzers or blushes, but this one just is giving me like such a good color. Blush, I am using this Morphe Blush Trio in Pop of Rose. My birds are going off right now. These birds, dude. My husband hates my birds, hates them. Only part left to do is highlight, and you already know I'm going in with this Laura Mercier translucent powder in Glow and just putting this shit everywhere. You guys are gonna get sick of this product because I am like seriously obsessed. Before I get started on my eyes, I'm gonna do my eyebrows off camera just because I hate doing my eyebrows and that's probably why you never see me do them like in a video. I don't know, brows are just like the worst part about doing my makeup. Like, I don't know why, I just hate doing my brows. So I'm gonna go do the brows and then come back and finish up my eyes. Brows on fleek. For eyes, I'm going to use this KKW Beauty Classic palette. But yeah, I just take these two shades. It's like a brown and like a pinky shade and just kind of put it like everywhere on my lid. I'm using this big fluffy brush from Eddie Funkhauser. So I'm just like really building this color up. Now I'm taking like the darkest shade in the palette and just popping it in the corners just to give like a little dimension and depth. And I'm just gonna sweep like a little bit under the eyelid so it's not naked under there. Then because I am a shimmer whore, I'm going to take the lightest shimmer shade on my finger per usual and just put it on my lid. I'm just gonna take this Pixie like black eyeliner and just line my eyes. So I'm doing it like kind of messy and then I'm gonna go in with the brush and fix it. Now I'm gonna use the Urban Decay Perversion mascara, and this has kind of been growing on me. When I first used it, I didn't like it. I think it's because it's like the only mascara I have around right now, so I kind of have to like it. To lock everything in place, I'm gonna use the Urban Decay De-Slick Setting Spray. Take a bath in this. So makeup's done. Now I gotta figure out my hair. I don't want to curl my hair. It takes so long because I have so much of it. I don't know. It's pretty like sleek and straight right now, so I'm gonna rock the sleek and straight look. Now I gotta get dressed, so I'll come back and show you guys my OOTD. Okay, here is the shirt I'm wearing. Isn't it so cute? Living the dream, because I literally live the dream every single day. Once my husband sees this too, he's gonna be like, that shirt was made for you. I actually just heard him pull up, so he's gonna think I'm weird, but whatever. So I don't know if I should wear this hat or this little paper boy hat. No, I'm not feeling this one. I think I'm gonna do this. So that's pretty much it. Let's go to Newport. Is anybody Gaby's birthday?
Like when you turn right,
popping bottles.
Working on retirement.
Yes. Gabe, you hear that?
Even worse.
Gabe said, no.
We got a friend. Hi, little guy. Hey, we're in a music video. Come on.
Mustard right now, dude.
Type of money you gon' need sight. Type of money you gon' need right. Don't know what this type of money make you stay white. Type of money.